All to the ladies, to our sisters, to our guests, to our friends, but most importantly to our dear brothers, I thank each one of you for being here for our 2024 installation of officers. For this year, 2024, we decided that our team would be ours to own. Each of these officers and members own the Valley of San Francisco. Our actions, our attitude, our dedication will dictate the future of our valley. And I know that we will be successful. So let us all embrace the power and the blessings given to us by the great architect of the universe. And together we will claim our strength, together we will claim our dreams, and together we will make this world a better place to live for all those human beings. So again, I thank each one of you. At this time, most worshipful and